Good morning, Matthew. How have you been? I hope you are having a wonderful day and that you are ready to begin working on goals 4 and 5. So for goal number 4, we are going to be finding the mean when given a set of numbers. And a mean is the average or norm. When we are finding the mean, we are going to add up all of the values to find a total. And then once we have our total, we will divide the total by the number of values you added together. So for example, here in the bottom, we have our values. Then we are going to add all of these to find a total, right? So once we get our total, we have to divide this by the number, by how many numbers we have here. So we would have to count. So we would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 numbers here. So we would get our total, which is 32 once we add all of them. And we would divide it by 7 because that's how many numbers we have here. And when we divide the total by the number of values of numbers that we have here, whatever our answer turns out to be, that is our mean. So in this case, our mean would be 4.57. And that is what we do to find the mean. So for today, we are going to be working on the worksheet Find the Mean sheet number 2. So take out this worksheet. This is the one we will be doing today. So this is our worksheet for today. Don't forget to write your name on the top left corner. And today's date is January 15, 2021. And it's in this worksheet, we are going to find the means of these data points. So we have 16 questions. I will be doing one with you. They already gave us, already did number 1 for us. So I will be doing number 2 with you, and you will be working on the rest on your own. So here, what they did in number 1 was that they added 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8, which gave them the total of 20. And then to find the mean, they got the total and they divided by the numbers of how many numbers are here. So here there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So they divided by 4. And when you divide 20 by 4, you get the answer 5. So 5 is your answer. That is your mean. And that is what we're going to be doing for number 2 and the rest of the questions. So if you have not done so, please take out your calculator because we will be needing it for this worksheet. So to begin, first we need to find out our total, right? So let's find out our total. So we are going to add 4 plus 0 plus 5. So let's get our calculators and add 4 plus 0 plus 5 gives us 9. So our answer, our total for number 2 is 9. So now here, we know that our total is 9. Now we just need to find out how many numbers there are in order to find out the mean. So let's count how many numbers we have in number 2. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 numbers. So our total is 9. And we have to divide that by 3 because that's how many numbers we have. and then whatever our answer is, that is our mean. So we got 9, and we have to divide 9 by 3. And when you divide 9 by 3, we get 3. So our answer here is 3. And that is what you are going to be doing for all of your questions from 3 to 16. You are just going to add all your numbers together to find your total, and then divide your total by the amount of numbers you have, and whatever answer that gives you is your mean. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Teams or through my phone. I am always here to help, Matthew. Once you are done, we will continue to work on goal number 5. So for goal number 5, Matthew, we are going to be providing appropriate amount of change when purchasing different objects or items. So for this goal, we need to know value for each coin and dollar bill. So here we know this is a penny and it is worth 1 cent. This is our nickels and it is worth 5 cents. These are our dimes and they're worth 10. Quarters, 25, and our dollar bills are worth $1. However, those aren't the only bills. We also have our $5 bills, our $10 bills, our 20, our $50 bills, and our $100 bills. So for goal number 5, I did things differently this time. So we won't be doing a worksheet. You will actually be working on it online. So we are, it's this cool thing. You can call it as a game because I consider it a game. I think it's pretty sweet, Matthew. It is, you will be going to bloomlearning.com, or you can also search on Google Boom Cards, and your username is right here, Matthew_Mejia123, and your password is Mejia123. So I'm going to show you what you will be doing. So you can go to your browser and search for, you can, like you're here in Google. So here in Google, you can put Boom Learning or also Boom Cards. Both work. So when you put Boom Cards, if that's easier for you, it automatically takes you to Boom Learning. So you would click on Boom Cards, and then this should pop up. So here you will do students. You are a student, and you're going to sign in with Boom. And you would be putting your username, which was right here. Your username is Matthew_Mejia123. So that's what we're going to put right here. Matthew_Mejia123. And your password was Mejia123. And then you would sign in. Once you are signed in, if you go down, you have this link down here below that is called Coffee Shop Cashier Vocational Skills and Money Management. You would click on this and it's going to take you to your, you can call it game, but it's actually your IEP goal. And here you are going to work as a cafe person, a barista, I think that's what they're called. And here they're just telling you the cafe, and it says here, "Hi, my name is Jane. Today is my first day working at the cafe. My job is to take orders of the customers. where is my workstation? So that is what you will be doing today. You will be taking orders from the customer from your workstation. So you would click here, Matthew, on the arrow, and here's just telling you what you are going to be doing. I'm going to show you an example of what to do, and then you will be doing the rest on your own. You will be doing this 3 times. So you will have 3 customers today. You will have 3 customers today. Once you have the 3 customers, you can just click submit and you can log out. There are many customers, but we will be doing 3 at a time. So you can click here. I know she said her order, but I was talking so we couldn't hear, but you can click it again. And when you click it,
I would like to order 1 hot chocolate, 1 cup of tea, and 1 cupcake.
You can click on the items, that way you can not forget what she wanted. Once you click and she is done, you can write here the order. So she wanted a hot chocolate, and the hot chocolate is $3. The next one is she wanted a cup of tea, and it was $2.25. And our next order is a cupcake, and it was also $2.25. And now they want you to find out the total amount for these for the order. So you would get your calculator and you would add the prices right here. So our first was $3 plus $2.25 plus another $2.20. Oh wait, no. Another $2.25. And our total is $7.50. So what is your total amount? $7.50. So once you have all of that done, you would press open. Hey, what happened? Oh, there you go. And then it's going to take you to the cash register. So this is the amount of money she is giving you. So you have to count how much money this is. So you can write here the payments received. So we have a $5 bill and a $2 bill. And this right here is a 50-cent quarter. We don't really see them much now, but they're still around, Matthew. So just note that this quarter right here is the 50 cents. So we can add all of this to find out how much she gave us. So this is our $5 bill plus our $2 bill plus she gave us 50 cents, and that gives us $7.50. So how much money did we receive? $7.50. And then you will put your money in the cash register, so you can just drag it and put it where it belongs. These $2 bills also, they're you don't really see them as much as you used to before. However, they are still around. And then here, if you had any change, we would click on the arrow. So we would go, and then here it's asking you again, what was your payment received? So we received 50 cents. How much did the whole order cost? It was also $7.50. And how much change are you going to give her? In this case, it would be none because she gave you the exact number. However, if she would have given you a $10 bill, you could do the calculations in the calculator, and then you can move the money that you would give her if there were any change. However, in this case, there's not, so we would press the arrow and continue, and now you put her order in the table, which is the cupcake, the tea, and the hot chocolate. Oh, hot chocolate. And that is what you will be doing, Matthew. Once you are Oh, the tea. I'm so sorry.